Hello guys, I'm drinking coffee at 4:39. So this is what I do. This is my coffee. And I use two of this. Small spoon. Okay, and then I put cinnamon. A little bit of cinnamon. Konting-konti lang. Kasi matapang ito. So, yeah, super konti lang. Pero marami na yan. Super tapang yan. And then, after cinnamon, coffee, cinnamon, and turmeric powder. Ito po ay maganda po ito sa ating digestive system. Just about naman. Kung gusto mo namang marami, damihan mo. Walang limit, pero yun lang kaya ko. And then, I use a little bit of brown sugar. Kunti lang. Isang ganito lang siya. Para, just a little bit of sugar. Yun lang. And then, hot water. That's my coffee. I drink this one twice in the, twice a day, I'm sorry. Mix, 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 mix. And then, it's your choice. You can use milk or coffee creamer a little bit. Not too much kasi hindi rin maganda. Kunting-kunti lang. Ayun lang. Super little. At nakaka-lose weight po ito kahit hindi ka nagda-diet. Oh, yeah, kailangan mo rin mag-diet as usual. Kahit hindi ka nag-exercise, ito po ay nakaka-lose weight. So, just coffee, regular coffee, instant coffee, cinnamon, and turmeric powder. Good for you. Digestive system. Especially sa mga auntie, at mga uncle, yon, ganito na kayo. Drink it. Good. Twice a day is good.